Hello and good afternoon. Today is Friday, June 25th. I'm Meghan Neuman from United Cooperative here with this week's closing market minute. As the market closed today, July corn is down 16 and 3/4 to 636 and a half. September corn is down 19 to 530 and a quarter, with December corn down 16 and 3/4 to 519 and a quarter. July soybeans closed down 41 and a half to 1329 and 3/4. November soybeans closed down 22 to 1269 and 3/4. July wheat closed down 14 and a quarter to 637. For this week's highlights, corn. U.S. corn conditions declined to 65% good to excellent, down from 68% last week. The market is still nervous about weather and acreage. The majority of corn growing areas are going to catch rain through July 1st, which makes the weather map a little bearish. However, there are some problem areas in eastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, eastern Nebraska, and southern Minnesota. Forecasters are also concerned that very heavy rains in eastern Iowa and western Illinois may result in local flooding. Traders hope the weekly export sales numbers will begin to improve, and until then, we'll be watching the weather like a hawk as we await next week Wednesday's USDA grain stocks and planted acreage data. Ag state lawmakers are pushing for new investments and tax credits for biofuels to increase demand after hearing there may be some relief to oil refiners. China's continuing to tame rising commodity prices and combat excessive speculation. This may have triggered some liquidation and the sharp sell-off last Thursday. The rise of the U.S. dollar and Fed indicating that rate hikes will come sooner than expected may have also played a part in the falling commodity prices. Beans are estimated at 91% emerged. However, conditions declined from 62% last week to only 60% good to excellent this week. Brazil has increased the number of planted bean acres this year by 5.5%, with estimates at 40 million hectares. This is the largest amount that any country has ever planted. USDA estimates that for 21-22 crop year, Brazil would produce 6% more than their record last year. Bean planting for most areas begin in September. Our new crop export sales have been pretty run-of-the-mill as of late, but last year China began a big buying spree that started in July and August, so we'll wait and see what next month brings. For wheat, reports from Kansas wheat harvest revealed most farmers were seeing average yields and expecting above average yields to come in as harvest continues. Moisture concerns were reportedly fading, though test weights are still over 60 pounds a bushel. Protein contents are reportedly lighter than normal, but not bad, ranging from mid-10s to 12%. Winter wheat is 17% harvested versus 4% last week, with 26% being the average. USDA to release planted acreage and grain stocks report next week, Wednesday. This has the potential to be an enormous report. Trades are looking for a big rise in bean and corn acreage. Reuters poll average trade guess for corn acres is 93.8 million versus March intentions of 91.1, and bean acres at 88.9 million, up from March intentions of 87.6. Bloomberg polls showing similar corn numbers, but pegged beans slightly higher at 89.1. Remember that July grain options expire today. First notice day on July futures is June 30th, which is also report day. And that's it for today's Market Minute. Know that we're available at your local United Cooperative to assist you with all your grain marketing needs. I'm Meghan Neuman. Stay safe, stay healthy, and rely on us.